Hi friends, today I'm going to share one of the tips on how to keep issues at its place. Have you ever wondered why you could not accomplish a task, a simple task as boiling milk and spilling it, or an important task of an interview that you could not crack it, or an important meeting with your client that did not go well? It happens with many people. And most of the time, it happens because your mind is preoccupied with some other thoughts and you are not able to concentrate on the task on your hand. All you need to do is keep issues at its place, that is outside of your head, not inside. Now, the big question is how do you do that? It's a very simple trick. Initially, you may find it difficult, but after practicing for some time, you will get hang of it. Now, first of all, you need to be aware. You need to be aware that you are not at ease. You need to be aware that you are upset. You need to be aware that you are not able to focus on the task on your hand. This awareness is very important. Otherwise, you will continue struggling. Now, second step, once you are aware, then all you need to do is stop. Stop doing everything that you are doing. Stop for a while. Take a few deep breaths. If possible, drink some water. Now, step number 3, which is very important. Now, you need to focus on the issue that is bothering you. You need to find that issue in your brain, in your head, the issue that is bothering you, and use your hand gesture as if you are picking up that issue and putting it outside. Now continue this gesture for a few times until you feel at ease. You may not be comfortable showing this gesture in public. In that case, you just imagine this gesture in your mind. It helps. Now, once that issue is outside of your head, your mind is free to concentrate on the task on your hand. It sounds crazy, isn't it? But it is a very effective way to keep issues outside of your head. As I mentioned earlier, some of you may not get hang of it immediately, but continue practicing and you will realize how powerful this simple trick is. Some of you still may not get hang or still may find it difficult even after a lot of tries. Then in that case you need to introspect whether you are carrying any other issues or any other negative thoughts that could be based on your past experiences. In such case, seek help. You can consult a life coach or NLP master practitioner who can help you find those issues and keep them outside of your head. In order to achieve anything in your life, or rather achieve the simple task, you need to concentrate. And to concentrate, your mind needs to be free of all distractions. I hope this tip will help you keeping issues outside of your head, not inside.